Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is there was a problem with NVIDIA app, relaunch your app. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix it, the first step is to open services. So you can close this and then type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find NVIDIA services. Over here you can see three NVIDIA services. So you have to start NVIDIA services, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Again, make a double click on second NVIDIA service, automatic, apply, start, OK. Again, third NVIDIA services, automatic, apply, start, and then click on OK. Now you can launch NVIDIA app and you should not receive that error anymore. But still you are receiving the error. In that case, you can perform a clean installation of your graphics card driver. So for this, you can go to NVIDIA website. The link is provided in the video description. Select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system, and then click on find. Now on this page, you will see the latest graphic card driver, whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Click on view and then click on download and then run the exe file. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file, then click on yes to allow, click on OK, and then click on agree and continue. Select custom option, click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next. And once that is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can open NVIDIA app and you should be able to launch it. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.